Do you want to turn off Find My Phone on iPhone? So this is a feature that allows you to use Find My to find your items on iPhone using the iPhone maps. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily turn off Find My Phone on iPhone. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings app, click on your Apple ID account. And then under your Apple ID account, scroll down and locate Find My, click on that. Then here, you should see Find My iPhone. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you selected that, to turn off Find My iPhone on your phone, just disable this feature. Then go ahead and disable Find My Network. Just disable Find My iPhone. Then you should see what that says. Type in your Apple ID password, then go ahead and key in your Apple ID password. Once you typed in your Apple account password, then go ahead and click on turn off. Once you hit the turn off, then hang on for a couple of seconds. And once your iPhone can confirm your password, then Find My iPhone will be turned. You see turning off Find My iPhone. Then you now have Find My iPhone turned off on your phone, and then you have an email notifying you that you have turned off your Find My iPhone. See that? Find My iPhone has been disabled on my iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off Find My Phone on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.